a piece of person who has a small who needs this car to feel good about himself. That's all you are.
Well, we now know.
You're a small man with a small Put that on YouTube.
Well, now we know why you're mad at me.
Yeah, because you're a small man. Get out of here, bro.
What's that?
Get the out of here. You're blocking the street.
You're the one that stopped me.
Get the out of here.
I don't leave when you tell me.
Get the out of here before I get you out of here, my friend. Oh, around with the car and fucking idiot. You're a clown.
Yeah?
Derek, jump in his car and drive it away.
There you go.
Drive it away.
Out of here.
Yeah.
You like putting cameras in people's faces?
Causing a disturbance. Hey, you guys stopped me.
You almost hit me right there.
You guys stopped me.
Hey, small.
Hold on.
Small motherfucker is
I'm a
what
small
you are. That's right. You are.
Okay.
Get the camera off my neighborhood, you dumb.
This is public area.
I don't give a
Totally legal.
Then slow down. Pay attention to the speed limits. Kids live here.
I know.
So
I was speed limit. You guys don't like it.
Mother.
You don't like it. I was.
You were not. You small.
You guys have a video? Do you have a video?
Yeah, I got a camera on my house.
Perfect. Go get it.
Get the out of here.
Let's do this. You guys want to cause a disturbance? Call the cops.
Get the out of here. Little mother.
If you're not the police, don't act like the police. So you hit my car with that.
Oh, I don't know, did I?
You did.
Huh? No, you did that on video. I was there.
Perfect. Well, I guess no one's leaving now. So that's how people want to act. We'll just have to wait for the police now. Look at this. Smashed my windshield. That guy with the sledgehammer. I'm the guy in the car that got stopped on the street. And
Are you the Lamborghini, sir?
yeah, someone just, one of these people who are calling you just hit my car with a sledgehammer and smashed the windshield. Yeah, smashed the windshield.
Okay, hold on one moment.
Thank you. There's the guy right there in the all black.
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Medium build, what color hair?
Black hair.
And what color shirt is he wearing?
He's wearing a black shirt with black pants.
And he's still holding the sledgehammer?
No, sledgehammer's on the sidewalk now. And he's working on a site right here. He's literally working outside in this yard, acting like nothing happened.
I was talking to one of the people that are standing there.
Yeah.
And they said that the argument, hold on one moment, please don't hang up.
No worries.
David is D-A-M-O-N?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they're on the way to speak to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, that was wild. That is not how I saw my day going. Man, we're down to one car. Yeah. So this guy here in the green. Sure. This guy here in the green jacket or shirt to your left, he jumped in front of my car.
He jumped in front of your car?
Yeah. Once he stopped my car, he proceeded to yell. I grabbed my camera as quick as I could.
Okay.
He started calling me names, telling me I have a small people who drive these cars are pieces of super emotional. So that's obviously.
How you doing, sir? Hold on one sec. I'll speak with you guys separate. Yeah.
Sure.
I appreciate that. Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. Okay.
So that was obviously...
Okay, you want to do me a favor?
Yeah.
Just hang by your car. I'm going to speak with him real quick.
Okay, so someone hit my car with a sledgehammer.
Yeah, no, I'm going to... That was him, right?
No.
Okay, which one?
Guy in black shirt, black pants. He has black hair. He's one of the workers. He went inside the shop. This guy, who obviously works on this site, might be trying to cover some of this up. He took the sledgehammer quickly, put it in the truck.
So is this guy like the boss, or what's his...
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
Like, this is all new to me. I was just driving to my shop, and he's like, "You need to fucking slow down," and I'm like, "Bro, I'm not speeding. I know the car's loud." And as soon as he started name calling, and it's like emotionally right away. There was no calm, like, "Hey man, can you just slow it down?" Or like, "Hey, your car's loud." There's no reasoning. It was immediate threat state, immediate heightened emotions. Nobody was calm but me.
Okay.
And I was like, "Hey man, this is crazy. Like, you're yelling at me." Okay. So he did that, took me off to the side, and then his worker grabbed a sledgehammer and hit my car, and like
yeah.
Destroyed it.
Windshield's busted.
Yeah. So that weapon, or whatever you want to call it, it's in here. It's in this truck. He put it away. It's right here. You can see it.
Okay.
I don't want to walk on any of the property or sidewalk.
It's public. It's public.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
So I was trying to like explain that. They're all like, "Turn your camera off," and I'm like, So that's the sledgehammer.
That's it. Okay.
And the guy who hit it, you might want to try to go and find him, because he's probably trying to dip right now. He was out here working, but now the cops are here. He's going to try to take off.
What does he look like?
He had a black shirt, black pants. He looked like he had almost like a bit of gray in the front of his hair, or maybe it was paint. Okay. Middle-aged, little heavier set, not huge, but like a little heavier set guy.
Hispanic, white?
I think so, Hispanic.
Okay.
So he was out here. He was a witness. He was sitting there with the other guy. That's the guy. He's the guy who hit my car. So there you go.
Okay.
He's the dude who hit it.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll talk with them real quick.
Okay.
See what we got.
Thank you, sir.
No worries. Yeah.
So we got Costa Mesa police here. So we'll see what happens here, because they're going to want to talk to this guy.
So where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my hotel,
Okay. Where?
and I'm going to my shop in Huntington Beach.
Okay.
And I was driving this route, the main road,
Okay.
and my GPS said to take a detour, right? It was doing the weird GPS thing. So I turned, and I came down here, and I got stuck in a cul-de-sac, and then my GPS said to turn around and go back because of the construction. I think it was trying to give me a detour. Mm-hmm. So I got stuck in a cul-de-sac down here, turned around, and came back.
Okay.
Okay? I'm doing like 10 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour.
Okay.
When I come out, back the whole time, because I live in a residential area, I'm 44, I have 3 kids, I'm not ripping, I'm in no hurry to get to work. I'm just cruising down this side street thinking that I'm gonna go this different route. On my way back, this guy jumps out from this truck,
Where was he?
He was right here, right by this truck. Jumps out.
Standing outside of the truck?
Yes.
Okay.
Gets right in front of my car and just immediately starts going off. High level of emotion.
Saying what?
Saying I was speeding, and I'm like, I wasn't speeding. And he was like, "You're speeding, you have a small," calling me all these names right away, immediately, saying that people own these cars, or whatever he said on the camera, something like basically insulting me in the car. And I was like, well, the make and model of the car has nothing to do with if I was speeding or not. So immediately I'm like, well, this guy doesn't have a problem with how fast I was going because I wasn't speeding. He has a problem with the car. He doesn't like whatever connotation is associated to people with Lamborghinis, because that's what he was saying right away. So that's what this is all over.
So what ultimately are you looking to get done with this guy? Did you want to see if you guys can go through insurance? Did you want to have him arrested, or what are we looking to have done?
Oh, he should be charged. You can't pick up sledgehammers and start hitting people's property and or people.
I know, I didn't say that, nor did I imply that.
No, I understand.
How much do you think for the a new windshield, if you can estimate?
$5,000.
$5,000.
Yeah, I've had one replaced before.
Did all right.
You can look in it.
I just want to scratch it, but did it
No, it's okay.
go damage anything inside on the dash, or that's just all?
That's his glass from when he hit it just now.
Okay. Okay, so the only thing we're looking at, not the only thing, but is the windshield.
I believe so. It doesn't look like he hit the A-pillar or anything. No, he hit it once and walked away, because I was here when he did it the whole time.
Okay.
So they are detaining the guy here who hit my windshield. So the cops are now basically talking to everybody, and we'll see what happens next.
There's never a dull moment in this business or in California. I literally was meeting Damon at the shop. He went ahead of me to meet the insurance adjuster for the 720. And I get there and he's not there. I'm like, where the hell's Damon? This isn't like him. And so I dealt with the insurance lady, and then Damon texted me going, somebody hit the SVJ with a sledgehammer. And I'm like, what? So finally he called me, and he's like, please right now, I can't talk. Send me the pin of where he is, and I'm gonna go check it out.
How you doing? Good, how are you? Good. How you guys doing?
You know, in the future, if you're calm to send your message to someone, like, I would have just got out and explained that, like, I don't normally drive down.
You didn't just get out.
Sorry?
You didn't just get out. That's not what you did.
Well, I sat in my car before you guys all yelled at me.
You almost took me out right there, dude. You were doing 65 down the street.
Miles an hour?
Yeah. Fast enough that when I did a half turnaround,
Really?
there wasn't even a car there. I went to back up and you were already flying.
Really?
By. Yeah.
65?
At least.
Exactly.
At least.
Is it radar detector or?
No, just.
Oh, you're here too.
I was here.
Oh, but you're with this group.
My neighborhood.
So this is your house.
It's my neighborhood.
So it's your neighborhood. You own the neighborhood?
You don't have to.
They interact with this.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah. Thank you.
So now I get it. They're all together. So there you go. Everybody yelling at me is all together as a group. So they obviously have a huge issue with this car, and obviously what its perceived owner is like. But I'll tell you right now, like, that is not the way to handle a situation. If you're trying to get someone to listen to you because you're upset about something, or you want to convey a message, calling names, swearing, yelling at the top of your lungs, telling people you're physically gonna force them to do something or harm them is not the way to do it. And then to escalate it even further and start damaging people's property that we work very hard for, and I love this car, is not the way to send the message.
There's more to it around, like, yeah, it brings out insecurities and all that, but this is the highest liability state in California. Even being part of that and initiating that, everyone here could be involved in a civil lawsuit. Like, this is $1 million car.
The guy in the beanie was the one that was right here, right? This guy?
Sorry, sir?
The guy in the beanie was the one that was right here, right?
Yeah,
Same
he's
guy?
a part of this. He's now working on site here.
But was that the guy that you were talking to in the video?
Yeah, yeah, they're all together.
Yeah, just give us one moment. You can chat with a couple other people, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Yes, sir. So, where's the guy who hit my car that I have video of him with the sledgehammer in hand?
He's over there in the grass.
So what's going to happen to him?
He'll be placed on arrest, but I'm saying, so during that, if you want to situate the car, whatever, have it in drivable condition, if you want to sweep the dash or get whatever,
Okay.
I'll give you a case number, and then once we leave, we're just asking that you guys take off too. Because
I'll leave right away.
We don't want to have you guys linger around and
No.
then something else.
Again, I want to I want to reiterate.
Sure.
I was calm. You can see in the video. I'll give you the whole video. I was calm while everyone was yelling at me and calling me names all at the same time.
Yeah, I think what I'm essentially trying to say is I think that a lot of the people are kind of ganging up.
Of course.
From the neighborhood, right?
Yes, sir.
You got homeowner, you got neighbor's wife, workers, all that type of stuff, right?
Yeah, they're all together.
So, if you guys want to take off and then kind of go from there, okay?
Question for you. As far as the damage and cost, is that civil matter? We sue them, or how does it work?
No, so what you can do is if you want to take it to whatever shop and get a firm estimate and get paperwork, recontact us. You can scan it in or send an email format, whatever. Right now we're working with an estimate. The misdemeanor to felony differentiation is anything $400 or more. So $5,000 minimum, we're fine. Yeah. For that purpose, right? But for
This is a-
more formal purposes, email us or whatever, recontact us with like an invoice from
It'll come from a Lamborghini Newport Beach.
yeah, whichever. But sooner than later.
Then what do you do with it? That's for chargeable. As far as us getting paid back, is that
would be, well, I can't.
That's for insurance.
That's
insurance.
Insurance and or through the court system,
Got it.
whatever a judge.
a judge might say you have to pay him back?
Right.
And then will he go to get like processed and put into jail today, or get released right away?
it's a felony vandalism, so if he were to be able to make bond and bail out, he could be released.
Got it.
We'll physically be taking him.
Got it, cool.
Absent, you know, if it was like a misdemeanor, we could issue someone a citation.
Right.
Or if it would be likely to continue, we could physically take
Understand.
them. But we'll take him physically, get him booked in up there, and then if they can't make bail, then they get transported to a county jail. Okay.
Thank you for being so professional
no
and
worries,
bringing a
man.
few officers, and
It's
you guys
all
are really good at what you do.
Cool, thanks, man. Yeah, it's unfortunate.
It is unfortunate.
Just,
like, it also just doesn't make sense. Like, if you were going to deliver a message, even if you're not a trained police officer, is your first reaction to come up and start yelling? That's the delivery method, like calling names.
Yeah,
you have a
just-
small. That's why you have this car. That's why you need to feel good about yourself.
Just
Like,
keep in mind just the whole, I'll call it team aspect. It's the whole neighborhood,
Yeah.
construction workers, homeowners, neighbors, people in relation to them versus you. So you're the focus. You got basically.
I'm the
verbally-
foreigner, yeah.
You got pummeled.
Yeah.
Right. So take
Okay.
what it is.
Yeah.
At least you don't have to go down the street anymore and go from there. Just
Yeah.
email us the
Yeah.
footage
Yes, sir.
and then whenever possible the invoice for the thing. We'll make sure
We'll
you
get
guys
it
get
done
that here. Yeah. No worries.
thank you, sir.
Be careful. All right?
we'll get out of here. Hey, what's up, boss?
Your videos.
Thanks, bro. Damn. Well, we'll go get it fixed. And we're back at the DDE HQ.
We can't make this up.
Dude,
We can't make this up.
it's DD, baby. Every day is super crazy.